Guys, do you need portable power and lots of it in a small form factor? Well, today I'm taking a look at the XDigi PB2100 power bank. Now this bad boy supports 130 watts of fast charging and has a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity. It also has a smart digital display that keeps you informed of all important information and boasts universal compatibility and has a price tag that won't break the bank. I mean, sound good? Well, stick around to hear more about this compact little powerhouse. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the PB2100 or 2100 20,000 milliamp hour power bank from XDigi, and I have to say, this is a capable piece of kit that is going to power up all of your tech while you're on the go, and it's very portable and won't break the bank. Now, before we get into it, XDigi sent me this PB2100 to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some instructions. We've got a USB-C to USB-C cable to charge the power bank up, and of course you get the power bank itself. Now guys, taking a look around this bad boy, and you can see that the design is clean and modern. You have this large black body with rounded edges, and you've got this rubber base for upright positioning. Now, as traveling is pretty important for a power bank, the device leaves nothing to question by placing an Airline safety message or logo on it. So you know what? I was stopped recently going through an airport because I had some electrical devices. I mean, who doesn't? But you know what? Being able to see this device, I did have a couple of power banks, not this one, but being able to see a certification safety logo on it will save some time. It also has a silver strip with the XDigi logo, and it's got this smart display screen. But you know what? More on that in a minute. Oh, and lastly, guys, on the top, you've obviously got some ports. You've got 3 ports for charging up your devices. You've got 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Now, this being a power bank, let's get back to those ports. In a single device mode, because you can use this obviously to charge 1 device or to charge 2 or 3 simultaneously, but in single device mode, the first USB-C1 port delivers up to 100 watts, which, you know what, that is more than suitable for laptop charging and maybe bigger iPads. Or the USB-C 2 and USB-A ports deliver up to 30 watts. And you know what, this is suitable for charging things like your phone, smartwatch, smaller tablets and earbuds and all of that kind of stuff. Now guys, in dual device mode, you can use either USB-C 2 and USB-A together, but the power will be split, so you kind of get 13.5 watts output of each port. And in triple device mode, you can get 100 watts out of USB-C 1 and 27 watts split between USB-C 2 and USB-A. So you know what? I know there's a lot of USBs there, but you have got plenty of flexibility. And a point to note, guys, is that USB-C 2 also doubles up as the charge port, so you can power up this bad boy, which incidentally only takes an hour and a half. So to charge up this huge 20,000 milliamp 130 watt block of juice only takes an hour and a half, and that's pretty cool. And guys, while we're on specs, as I said, this PB2100 has got a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. It weighs about 450 grams. As I've already said, it's approved for air travel, and its fast charging capability means that you can charge an iPhone to about 50% in around 25 minutes. which is pretty cool. And you know what, charging up a MacBook Air, you know what, you can get to 50% in just 30 minutes. So that's pretty cool. Now guys, remember that smart screen? Well, you know what, this shows battery percentage, it shows real-time output readings, it shows temperature monitoring, battery health status, discharge time, and battery cycle. So you know what, there is a ton of info here should you want it. And let's not forget about safety, guys. This bad boy has input over current protection, it's got short circuit protection, output over current protection, and like I said, temperature monitoring. So guys, whether it was my MacBook Pro, iPad Pro or iPhone, everything charged up extremely quickly. So guys, there you have it. The XDigi is a very useful piece of kit. It's powerful, fairly compact, safe and versatile. And you know what, at the time of this video going live, you can grab one of these for just £90. But you know what, as usual guys, I'll leave any links, product links and any further discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to XDigi for sending me this cool piece of kit to review. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.